Hello everyone, it's Professor Sadiq Noor, and in this video I'm gonna demonstrate and show you how to complete Microsoft PowerPoint with Microsoft 365 Common Feature Cumulative Recipes for PC and Mac. Microsoft 365 Common Features Cumulative Recipes for PC and Mac. So let's start. Now I'm already in the canvas under the assignment. I will click on Microsoft 365 Common Feature Cumulative Recipes PC and Mac. Click on it, open person. Now we have to download the material, the starting files, and then we have to work on it offline. So obviously you need Microsoft PowerPoint installed in your computer. So I will click download. There's only three files. One of them is the Microsoft Word, the instructions, PowerPoint, and a picture. So I will download all the three files simultaneously. As you see, all the files been downloaded. I will close and then I will minimize it or I will close it. All right. Now we have to go to your taskbar and File Explorer. Go to the downloads. Now these are the three files that I just downloaded. So I will go with the instruction first. I will open it and be sure to enable it. I will zoom it a little bit. Perfect. Now they said we have to open the PowerPoint presentation XP22 underscore CF underscore chapter 01 cumulative recipes PowerPoint. So let's go back to the yellow folder, the File Explorer, open. So that's the picture. Open the PowerPoint, which is this one. Double click it. Now you have to enable editing always. Now, as I used to demonstrate to you, so obviously this is your quick access toolbar. By default, you should have only the save, undo, redo, and then the slideshow. So these two icons here, I just added earlier. So I will show you how to add them. All right. And then below the quick access toolbar is your tabs. This is your tabs. All these are your tabs. Below the tabs is your ribbon. This is your ribbon. The ribbon consists of groups, and the groups has names, as you see here. All right. And then this is your outline of your presentation. And then you're gonna see the full-fledged slide in the right-hand side, the thumbnails. And then if you look down here is your status bar. And then here, if you wanna put a notes, so you can click the note here, it's gonna pull up this area here. And if the presentation wanna put any notes, if you wanna put any comments, is here. All right. And then these are the view of your PowerPoint presentation. So this is the normal view, slide sorter to sort the slide. If you want to run your present in a read mode, and this one is the slideshow, and this one if you want to zoom your presentation. If you move the bar to the right, it's gonna zoom it more like 100%, 200. The bigger you want, you have to move the bar to the right. The smaller you want the view to be, then you have to move the bar to the left-hand side, right? So let's start. So we open the PowerPoint, and then we have to go back to the instruction. And then we have done with the first step, we open the PowerPoint. Now the second step is apply the Office theme to the presentation. The theme is a ready-made background that has color, and the font script will be according to the theme that you selected. So now we want to change it to an Office theme. So to do that, you will go to Design tab. Design tab. As you click the Design tab, you see that the theme is in the middle, and then it also the ribbon changes according to what tab you selected. When you move your cursor over the theme, as you see, the text font changes, the color changes. It depends what kind of themes you want to use. So in this case, we have to go back for here, the down arrow, because we want to change the theme, and we want to change it to office theme. So click on it. So as you see, it changed it to office. So the third step is to change the slide sorter view and drag the slide 2 to become slide 5 and return to normal view. Now to get to the slide sorter, I have two ways to do it. One way is from the status bar, and here is the slide sorter. As you see, that's your slide sorter. Now, if you want to go through the tab, you will go to View and then Presentation View, and then you will click the slide sorter. So it's the same thing. So we want to move slide 2 to become 5, right? Just drag it. So let's go back and read. So drag the slide 2 to become 5. So slide 2, it becomes number 5. Now, to go back to the normal view, I can just double click it, any of the slide, or go back to View, Normal, click the Normal, or I can go to the status bar here and click Normal View. So it's up to you which way you want to go back to normal and you want to get out of the slide sorter. So if I click this from here, it's going to do the same thing. If I go to View tab, then Normal, I'm back to normal view. All right. Now, next, on slide 3, select the text box in the slide title area that says Make 10 to 12. We have to cut and paste in slide 2. So we have to cut this. Select, go to Home, the clipboard, and then cut it with the scissor. Go to slide 2, select the title, space, and paste. Perfect. Next step. So we cut it and we paste it in the title area of the slide 2. Step 5, select the text text in the box for step 1 on slide 3 and change the font to 12. So let's go to slide 3, select step 1, right? And then we have to change the size to 12 of the step 1 on slide 3. You can either use the capital A with a cap, or you can just click the drop down and select 12. Perfect. Next, select the hummus on slide 5 and apply bold and change the font color to orange. All right. Slide 5, highlight, or you can just select the text box. So we want a bold face, and then so apply the bold and then change the font color to orange as in to darker 50% orange. So go to the font group under the home tab, click the big A with a red underline, and then we need to look for orange as a to darker 50%. So click on it. Perfect. So we were in step number 6. Now on slide 3, change the frothy in the third paragraph of the step 1 to the synonym foamy. So we have to change the frothy to foamy on slide 3 and step 1. So here is that the third slide, and then this is the fruity here. So we will move our cursor over the word, right click on it, and then go, when you see the shortcut menu, go to synonyms, and then we want to change the word to foamy. As you see the word change to foamy. Perfect. Now click or display the slide 2 and insert the picture cumulative beta.jpg from your download files. And we don't need to change any of uh, the names or the type. So to do that, let's first go to slide 2, scroll up, slide 2. Now from the placeholder, we kind select picture, and then we have to go to the downloads. We are looking for this one, EXP22 CF chapter 01 cumulative beta. So select and insert. Now we have to drag the picture all the way to touch the brown border. Perfect. Now we have to change or resize the picture width. So first they said we have to drag the picture to the left, to the top left corner. It's just under the color title bar at the top of the slide, which we did. Resize the picture width to 8.8. So the picture is selected. Be sure you are in the picture format, and then the width, type 8.8 and press the enter key. Perfect. Go back. Let's scroll to step number 9. Apply the center shadow rectangular pick to all the 7 slides on slide 3 and 4. So select, you can hold the control key and click to select all the picture here. And then we have to go to picture format, picture style. Be sure to click on the picture format and then look for picture style on the ribbon, and the group name is picture style, and we are looking for center shadow rectangle. Click on it. Now let's go to slide 4. Let me confirm, is it slide 3 and 4? So go to slide 4 now, select, hold, click the first one, then hold the control and select the other pictures. Now go back to picture format, picture style, and we have to use center shadow rectangle. So let's go back, apply the center shadow rectangle picture style to all the 7 images on slide 3 and 4. Now on slide 6, use the bottom right sizing handle to enlarge the image so it fit the entire slide. So move your bar to slide 6, click on the picture and hold the down arrow until you see the white arrow, then move it in a way that it takes the whole slide, the picture. Perfect. So we're done with the step number 10. Step 11, on slide 3, we need to press the control key and select all the 3 images, and we have to align it to bottom, right? So they said you need to search align in the search box and then look for the align object and select align bottom. So obviously we have to go back to slide 3, select, hold the control key, select and select. So then the next thing they said is in the search here, you can type align and then align object. And then from here, we want to go to align bottom, right? Or I can just go to the home, and then we could use, actually we can do it from the format here, just to show you the other way if you don't want to use the search. Format picture, and then you will go to arrange, align, and then you will click align bottom, right? Or you cannot just search. So once we search align, and then we click the align object, and then we selected align bottom. Now select the list of the ingredient on slide 2. Use the search box to search for the smart art, and then select to convert the art graphic from the search result. Click or press more graphic and select the line list. So actually they want us to go back to slide 2. We have to highlight the ingredient. Then I can do it from here. See, be sure to be at the home tab, paragraph, then convert the smart art, and then we have to go to more, right? More, and then we have to go to list, and then we have to use this one, lined list, right? So here in the assignment, it says go to the search, and type is smart. As you see here, we get a smart, right? So it's smart, They say in the search type smart, then select convert to smart graphic. So you will go here, it will say smart, and then smart art, and then you have here a smart and then more, right? So just the easy way, just go to home tab, paragraph, convert to smart, go to more, smart graphics, go to list and select the line list, click on it and click OK. That's the most easier. Now for the student who have Mac users, if the line list is not available, you will have to apply any smart graphic, which will then make the full smart art gallery available, and then look for the line list, right? Now add slide numbers to all the slides and the page number to all the handout and add creating a healthy meals as the header in all the handout. So I will copy these guys. Control and C to copy it. So obviously we need to go to the headers and footer. And then first we have to add the slide number to all the slide. So we have to go to insert, and then we have to go to the text group, and then we have to look for headers and footer. Click on it. Then under the tab slide, we need the slide number, and then click the notes and handout. We need the page number and the header. I will paste Control and V and then apply to all. Now add spelling to the quick access toolbar. By default, they are hidden. Like in my case, if you see, and let me take it off. I put it already. So if you look here, I don't have the spelling and the print preview. What I have is the start from beginning. This is to undo and redo, and then the save, right? These are the quick access toolbar. Just you have to click it with a single click. Now we need to add a couple more icons. So we need to go here and add the spelling. As you see, the spelling has been added. Now we have to go click the down arrow in the right of the quick access to customize the quick access toolbar. And now we need the print preview and print. So if you go down here, so we need to add the print preview and print to the quick access toolbar. Now we need to click the spelling of the present and we need to check the spelling and make any changes. So once you did edit the shortcut here in the quick access toolbar, now you can click it. Or you can press F7 to check the spelling. So what I will do, always start from the beginning. So select the first slide and then I will click here, or you can click review. The spelling is here, right? So to make it life easier, we added the spelling into the quick access toolbar. So click on it. Now here you see the door is wrong. So I will say change all. There is no problem with any spelling. You see the door change spelling, click OK. So everything look perfect. Let's go back and now change the full page slides to 2 slides and change the orientation for the hands out to portrait and adjust the print setting to print two. You will not actually print two copies unless directed by your instructor. And then let's do this step first. So we're gonna go to File, Print, and then instead of being print full pages, we want two. And then we need to change the orientation to portrait. All right. And then we want copies of two, and we are not gonna hit print, right? I will go back. Now, the next step, so we change the full page to 2 slides, change the orientation to portrait, and we did this. So let's go to step number 16. Change the document properties to add recipes, pita, hummus as the tag. So what I will do, I will copy these three things here, Control and C, or you can go to the Home tab, Clipboard, and you can hit copy. Now we're gonna go back to the PowerPoint, File, and then we're gonna go to Info, and then the tags we will paste. So Control and V to paste what you copied earlier. And then we also need the author name will be our name. So I will say Sadiq Nur. All right. If you want, you can say show all properties, or you can go here and then click on advanced properties and you see the keywords, the tag. We put it here under the keywords, the author name, everything look perfect. So go back. Now the last step is to save and close the cumulative recipes PowerPoint. So we need to go to the floppy from the quick access toolbar, hit the save, and then we need to close it, hit the X to close PowerPoint, and then we will close the steps, the instructions, and then I will close this. Now we want to see what we got out of 100. So we will go back to your canvas. You will go back to your assignment to upload your file. You will click on Microsoft 365 Common Feature Cumulative Recipe. Click on it. Open person. It's going to launch the assignment. Now we're done with this one here. We don't need it. So we're going to go to the third to upload completed assignment. So click upload. Now go to your downloads in the left hand side, click download. So this is the PowerPoint file. So select and then click open, upload. Kudos, your file has been submitted for grading and continue. So you're gonna see what you got. And if you look here, I have scored 100%. So now if you want to review, if you did not score 100% out of 100, so then obviously we could click review. Be sure your pop-ups are on and just wait for a few seconds. It's gonna pop here, and then if you see any red, that would indicate what you did wrong. So then your file is already under the download. Go back, open it in PowerPoint, and then correct your errors. So in my case, I don't have any problem. And then my score is 100%, 100 points. I earned points 100, and the possible point was 100. If you want to download the submitted file, you can do so. You can also, if you have done a lot of mistakes, you can go to the live comments report. So the system will tell you what you did wrong, right? So in this case, for this presentation assignment, I have scored 100%. All right. With that, it done the steps. We completed the assignment. So I will also I will put the files, the starting file under the description of the video. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to share with your family, with your friends, so that I can create more productive videos for you related to applications. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you have learned a lot from this video, and thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye. Thank you.